Gang, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Sarso On The Beat. In today's video, I'm here in the Sauceware channel to show y'all how to make a Travis Scott type sample with a bunch of textures. Follow my Instagram at Sarso On The Beat. Also follow this channel if you like, and I'm out. Yeah. Just change the camera settings. Now it's a little better. Okay, so first things first, I'm all open right now with Scorch. Oh, this can be a cool one. This can be a cool one. Okay, so I just got hot sauce sound. Sounds like this. It's cool. It's a brass sound. So let me make a pattern to it. I'll raise the tempo around like 149. I think it's good. Ooh, bro, this sound has a lot of like cool things in it. It's almost like a bass with this combination. Presets are the way to go. Like for real, it has like 3 sounds in it, and like with 2 notes you make this fire ass melody. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So with this one, I'm gonna add more sounds to it, but this is the main foundation, right? So let me go again on Scorch and trying to find something to layer it with. So I'm gonna do some sort of call and response between these 2 synths, like. And then I'll add effects to them. So let's get one more, bro. I'm doing this so quick. This is so good. Yeah, so I just added this synth pad. Sounds like this. And again, I just copied this one over to this one, and sounds all together right like this. So I'm gonna render everything out and I'm gonna add it to them. And so right here, I've just rendered out the sounds, and there's some volume automation on them because I think that the tail of them were clashing with each other. So there's a volume automation just to remove that thing. So on this one, I'm gonna cue it a little bit. I'm gonna get more of that bassy thing and excite a little bit the highs. Then I'm gonna go into Valhalla and trying to mess around with our preset. This one gives it a cool touch. It's subtle, but you can hear it. So then on this one that is layering, I want this to be wider because I don't want it to clash in the stereo field with the other one, right? So I'm gonna use S1 Imager. I think there's one called Ozone 9 that does maybe the same shit. I think there's 3 imagers, but yeah, I'm gonna use this one because it's the one that I'm most used to. Then I'm gonna go throw some pancake on it. This is a free plugin, by the way, and turn down the mix a little. I don't need to add too much. This sounds so cool right now. Oh, this glitchy effect is cool. That's hard. That's hard. I'm gonna add ambience to it. That is free plugin. Go grab that. This is sounding so nice so far. So, let me add some sort of sidechain thing on this one. Blend in the mix. And yeah. Then I'm gonna add some sort of compressor. I'm gonna add OTT. Maybe it's overkilling. I don't know. So I'm gonna turn down the depth and trying to raise a little bit of the high. Lower the mid. it brightness brings up that brightness of the sound, I think. So right now, let me show you. So this sound is cool, right? We can export it and we actually have a fire sample. But to make it a little different, make your own touches to it, I'm add some ear candy, some textures. I'll show you how I did. So first things first, you can grab whatever FL plugin you want. Let me go for Flex. That is I think the best one. Or at least one of the good sounding ones, whatever. So, okay, we can record this sound. So, we go right here in the pattern, right? And right here I want something to fill, right? So, let me make a melody and I'll show you guys. Alright, that sounded nice. I'm gonna pitch it up 1 octave. And I'm gonna do half speed, right? So now everything's playing on half speed. And I'm gonna record this. Then we stretch it till 8 bars. That's how we had it, right? Then you click auto and it sounds like this. Whole different sound, right? So then I misclicked. Okay, now I'm just gonna trim it like this. I'm gonna add some sort of a volume automation, right? That's hard. Then I'm gonna go and pan it. I'm gonna go make it from one ear to the other one like this. That's hard. Now I'm already to a mixer track, and on this one, first things first, I'm gonna add some sort of reverb. Not that much. That's hard. Then I'm gonna EQ it a little bit. Mostly the highs. Let me bring up some of that high-end crispy with some ODT. And then how can we make this weirder? That's the thing. I want something weird. So let me go right here at a 3D overdrive. So right here, I'm gonna do another one. And I'm gonna slightly change the overdrive like this. I don't care about the pattern though. Yeah, right there, and then mess around with the preamp. Alright, and then maybe I'm gonna go with some delay. Or like super fast delay. Ping pong, stereo. But with the cutoff a little bit down. Okay, I like this. I'm add also pan man to this shit because the panning is not noticeable, or at least I want it more noticeable. Let me add some Portal to it. So yeah, go to Portal and select whatever preset. Like, don't look. And yeah, this one. Okay, that sounded trash, but let me try again. That's not even sounding. So let me pick with looking, with eyes, with yeah. Ooh. That one's cool. So let me get an Edison going. Record that because that was hard. That's hard. Let me stretch. Maybe. Woo! That's bouncy. Alright. Let me add some super box for more movement. That's hard. Let me add some reverb to it. Whoa. This could actually be a whole new sample. That was hard. I'm thinking of a run like, I don't know. That sounded so cringe, bro. I don't want to edit that. So let me go to Scorch. Let me find some sort of like plucky thing. baby. So, this is the sample that we just made. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, because you're watching this, so if you're watching this right now, you enjoyed it because you watched the whole through. So why not subscribing and follow me on Instagram and liking the video? And I'm out, and I'm playing this sample right now. Peace. Sheesh.